Hello and welcome back to my channel, everybody. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and in today's video I'm going to be posting a wig that I did a while back. This wig came in this ugly 613 with a yellow undertone, and y'all know I hate yellow wigs, okay? So please do not be that girl that takes the wig fresh out the pack and puts it on your skin like this. You want to make sure that you have the nice undertone that matches your complexion. So today I'm going in with the Redken Violet shampoo as well as a whisk, and I'm just going to be filling up a pot full of hot water. Now my tap comes out extremely hot from my sink, so all I did was go in there, mix some of that violet, and to be honest I mixed a little bit too much, but just don't get carried away like me. I just wanted to make sure the whole thing got saturated, and you just want to mix it thoroughly. Make sure that you don't have any clumps, lumps, bumps, none of that, because if you have a clump of purple shampoo, when you go to dip the wig, it's going to have a purple spot on it, and you do not want that. We just want to cancel out this yellow. So the reason why I'm going in with the purple shampoo is because you guys know on the color wheel, purple is the opposite color of yellow. So that's going to help cancel out some of that yellow undertone to give us like a nice icy blonde. So I just let this saturate. I dunked it and let it sit for like a minute or two, not too long, because you don't want it to absorb too much of the purple. It's already absorbing. Don't freak out, just trust the process. And again, I'm just dunking this a few times, and then I'm going to shampoo it out and then show you guys what I'm using to tone. This is a super fast tutorial because it didn't take me long to do this, and it's typically what I do to tone my blondes. So I'm going in with Redken Shades EQ right here, the 10GI, which is Tahitian sand, and I'm just putting this over top. I mixed it, 1 to 1 or 2 to 1, so I put in 1 ounce of the Tahitian sand and 2 ounces of the processing solution. Let that sit, and here I am. I'm just brushing the hair out. I let it air dry, and then I'm just pressing the top just to kind of give you guys an idea of the style. My friend Brittany only hired me to do the color only, so I didn't want to put too much heat and stuff in the hair, but I also didn't want it to look like the hair was all over the place. So here I am. This is my day off. I was just doing her wig for her, and I'm just pressing the top of this unit, and then what I'm going to do is just show you guys how it looks outside in natural lighting versus like the lighting in my house. This was a pretty sunny day, but sometimes things will look different based off of like if you have artificial lighting and so on and so forth. So again, I'm just going in with a hot comb that I got off of Amazon.com, and I'm just pressing this whole top out, just kind of running my fingers through, making sure that the tracks are laying nice and neat, so that way when she goes to install it, it's already kind of like semi-parted, so that way when she's ready to install it, she knows exactly what to do with her stylist. Okay, so this is how it looks inside of my house, natural lighting. If you did a side-by-side comparison of how it first started, it was super yellow, super like just ugly banana peel outside looking, and now it's looking like the inside of a banana. We want to go for like a pale blonde, and Brittany decided she wanted to do like a Renaissance theme birthday, so I just thought this super platinum blonde was just it. So I'm just going to take it outside so you guys can see how nice it looks, how even. You guys know I love Shades EQ. I'm thinking about dropping a series about how the different colors work together and how I mix my formulas, because you guys know typically I like to mix 2 or 3 different Shades EQ just to balance out the color, just depending on what I'm doing. But this was super easy. So I will say, if you guys don't have access to Shades EQ, if you do have a Sally's nearby, you can always use the Wella. They have like a T18 and T25 and all those. I had to look at the colors. It's been a while since I've used that brand. But there are toners that you can use in Sally as well as some local beauty supply stores. I know they carry them. So this is how the color looked once it was air dried. Again, all I did was let it air dry and press the very top and kind of run my hot comb through. And now get ready for the pictures of my friend Brittany slaying for her B-Day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.